How to fix call option not showing on Messenger. So if you open up your Messenger, on the bottom you will have the call option, right? But if you can't find the call option, and if you want the call option, then what you need to do is, if you've updated your Messenger, then you won't have the call option, because with the recent update they've removed the call option. So if you've recently updated, then you won't have the call option. So what you need to do is tap on uninstall, and you need to uninstall the application which you have right now. Once you uninstall, now you need to go with your browser or your Chrome. I'll be choosing Chrome, and then tap on the search and search for old version of Messenger. And here you will have all of the older versions of Messenger, so you just need to simply go and install the older versions or older APKs. And once you've installed the older version of the Messenger, make sure to install like 1 or 2 months older, and after that you will have the option. And make sure to not update the application. If you have updated, then again your call option will be removed. So it's just because of the update, so you just need to simply go and install the oldest version of your Messenger, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.